In the world of business, data analytics is essential. Data visualization helps you understand trends, detect problems early, facilitates communication, and helps you make decisions quickly. In data analytics, visualizations are critical. Data analytics is essential for any business, big or small. Visualizations make data analysis easier and help you make better decisions that will help your business grow. We can make better decisions by making data understandable. Making data understandable is essential in order to make better decisions, as it allows us to make predictions and take informed decisions quickly. They may show you things you never imagined. Data visualization helps you make better decisions by enabling you to understand and act on data in an insightful way. Visualizations enable you to see information you might not otherwise notice. In business, data analytics is essential for making better decisions. Visualization tools help executives make sense of a complex data set quickly and develop plans based on this analysis. How can small businesses benefit from data analytics? Data analytics can help any business grow sustainably by understanding customer behavior and trends, making informed decisions about marketing and product strategies, and tracking key performance indicators. Monitor performance and make adjustments as needed. Data analytics plays a big role in content marketing. By understanding your customers and their behavior, you can keep them loyal and engaged, and generate more leads and sales. Analyze data to find trends and patterns. Data analysis is an essential part of any effective content marketing strategy. It can be used to increase customer retention rates, identify trends and patterns, and improve business performance. Improve decision making. Data analysis is an important tool for better decision making in any business. It lets you predict future trends and make better strategic decisions. Make better decisions by understanding customer behavior. Understanding customer behavior helps you make better decisions about marketing campaigns, product development, and business operations. This helps you increase conversion rates and build long-term relationships with your consumers. Small businesses can benefit from data analytics. Data analytics is essential for any business, whether you are a startup or a large corporation. It can help you make informed decisions and grow your business quickly. Allow startups to scale rapidly. Startups need to be nimble and fast in order to survive in today's competitive business world. Data analytics helps them reach the right people at the right time with the correct message. Identifies and corrects business errors. Data analytics helps businesses achieve their business goals by correcting errors early on, improving customer relationships, and sound product development. Helps to predict future trends. Predicting future trends helps businesses make informed decisions, anticipate problems before they happen, and improve customer service by anticipating needs and solving issues in a proactive manner. Data analytics is essential for any business, big or small. It can help businesses make better decisions, identify trends, and optimize operations.